Welcome to this tutorial on the graph, the main tool in VTS Editor. The graph allows you to design a variety of non-linear scenarios, with numerous possibilities for learner interaction. This is one of VTS Editor's great strengths. In this first part of the tutorial, let's take a look at how to read a graph in VTS Editor. The graph is made up of objects called blocks. Blocks are connected by logical links, represented by white lines. Links are connected to outputs and inputs on the blocks. The scenario starts to run from the start block, and the learner can follow the paths defined by the links from left to right. The scenario ends when the learner has reached the end block by any path. Each type of block encountered has its own behavior, allowing the scenario to be enriched, displaying a quiz, making characters talk, creating a branch, or whatever. The first level of the graph contains one block for each scene in the scenario. Each scene block contains another graph defining the part of the scenario specific to that scene. So let's take a closer look at how the scene graphs fit into the scenario graph. The scenario begins, and the link connected to the start block is taken by the learner. The learner reaches the first scene, which takes us into the scene-specific subgraph. I edit this scene to see its graph. The start block is triggered, which leads to a quiz block. This quiz block is special in that it creates a branch based on the learner's choice. If the learner selects the first choice, the first output of the block will be used, following this link. A speak block would then be executed, making a character speak, then this link would be followed, connected to the scene's first output on the end block. A second output was possible. I go back to the scenario level, and I can see that there are indeed two outputs on this scene block. So I exit through the first one, which has been triggered, and follow the link to the end block of the scenario, which then ends. If the learner had made another choice in the quiz block, in this example by giving a wrong answer, he could have triggered the second scene exit, leading to another detailed debrief scene, instead of ending the scenario directly. And that's it. We've seen in detail how to read and understand a graph in VTS Editor. In the next part, we'll look at how to add blocks and link them together to create your own scenarios.